What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, trying to get ready for a break tonight. We had 700 pre-show, man. The slow selling out. Nice line. I'm not sure why it's taking so long, but we're struggling along. We don't want to cancel. Live. Good luck. 5 spots from this one. 9-18. Top three. Top 2 getting 2 each, and third spot getting 1. Good luck, folks. Here we go. I think I said live. I did. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 9-18. 9-18 it is. We're looking for our last and final random top 3 after this one does it. And there you have it. Besser, spot 7. Jonathan, spot 6. And Cody, spot 2. You guys all taking home a spot. Besser and Jonathan taking home 2 each. So I'll tag you in. Once everybody sees the video, congrats. Here's your 4th and final timestamp at slow at 9-18. And 9-18 it is, so congratulations. 4th timestamp, Besser, Jonathan, and Cody. You guys are the winners. Thanks again, folks. Good luck tomorrow with release date.